Okay. So again, I'm Cecil Verses, the president of WSPPI and master mentor sa Elevate Virtuosity Global. But before we begin, let's start with a prayer. So let us all put ourselves in the most holy presence of the Lord. Dear Heavenly Father, we gather today with anticipation and excitement for this Elevate Virtuosity Global Opportunity Showcase. We humbly seek your presence and guidance as we unite to explore new paths and opportunities. Bless this assembly of leaders, members, center operators. May your wisdom guide our discussion and decision, and may we build not just a business, but a community rooted in integrity, empowerment, and growth. Grant us the courage to embrace opportunities, the strength to overcome challenges, and the vision to contribute positively to our lives and to others' lives as well. Let this meeting inspire purpose, foster relationships, and pave the way for greater achievements. We thank you for your grace and blessings. May all we do honor you and reflect the values we uphold. In your holy name, we pray. Amen. So again, welcome. That's me. I'm Cecil Brices, Master Mentor for Elevate Virtuosity Global. And of course, I President. So nandito po ako ngayon sa inyo para i-introduce itong bagong division under WS Pacific. Elevate Virtuosity Global is created na tulungan lalo ang company, especially ang mga dealers na lumaki to grow this business together. So we're offering this new division to all our center operators for them to even more expand their market. So kung ano yung ginagawa nyo ngayon, you can still do, but this division will offer you other ways to build your business. Kasi nga, as our partner, dahil partner namin kayo dito sa business, we want you to stay for as long as you want, and habang tumatagal kayo, we want you to grow. And napapansin kasi namin na sa WS, no, as a center operator, may mga times na humihina yung sales. Minsan nga, may nagbabakasyon ng matagal and yung iba pa nawawala. So what we want to happen is to build a business for the center operators na talagang tutulungan siya na palakihin yung kanyang organization, and that organization will help her achieve her dreams financially and also those within her organization. So mga taong nasa team nyo, yung mga taong kasama nyo, communities will also grow with you. That is uh, our goal and our hope for our existing center operators at yung mga makikilala pa natin or mamimit pa natin ng mga bagong partners sa WES Pacific. So Elevate Virtuosity Global is one division under WS, and this is where we will now focus our dealership recruitment. Kasi napaka-challenging talaga yung business sa direct sales, and ito na po yung mag-evolve na siya. But whatever you're doing sa WS, like you're doing book fair or online sales, you can still do that. But if you want to expand more your market or your business, then you can also register here at Elevate Virtuosity Global. So gusto ko lang po na bago kasi nasa soft opening pa lang itong division na to, but before siya mag-full blast, gusto ko na malaman muna ng mga operators yung option din nila kung paano pa nila mapapalaki yung kanilang business. So hindi ko na po masyadong dadaanan yung about the company kasi alam nyo na nga po ito. And the purpose of Elevate Virtuosity Global is to bridge the global learning gap, empowering people to grow, earn, and connect. So kung makikita nyo rito, global, kasi mamaya mag-discuss more kung ano ba yung mga products ng Elevate Virtuosity Global aside sa books. And empowering people to grow kasi nga this will be the business wherein you will become a real entrepreneur and you will be building your organization. Ibig sabihin, palalakihin mo yung iyong business dito sa WS through EVG. And here you can grow, you can earn, and you can connect, which means you will be connecting to more people. And our vision is a world where everyone can access learning, achieve financial freedom, and build a thriving community. So, yun na nga po, ano, access learning. Paano naman kaya yun nasa global, ma-achieve, ma-access niya yung learning through EVG? Mamaya po malalaman niyo yun. And of course, financial freedom and building community tayo dito. Palalakihin niyo po yung inyong organization with us and we will help you with that. Our mission. So our mission is to offer accessible learning or rewarding opportunities and a supportive network that fosters growth. So dito, tulungan as you elevate your career here, pati yung mga tao na kasama nyo is magi-improve din. And our core values is empowerment, connection, learning, integrity, and innovation. So we always want to empower people. So marami pong training dito that will make you to become the leader that you want to be. And of course, connection nga, here you will be connecting to more people. And learning, kasi nga, ang product natin ay books and other things, no? Mamaya mga lalaman nyo. And then, integrity, kasi lahat dito is pinapakita namin. All your income, nasa platform nyo yan, makikita nyo, and all the things that will make your career soar, lahat po yan nakalahad dyan. And of course, innovation. Kasi nga nasa learning tayo, dapat nag-evolve tayo. Kaya nga natin tinayo itong EVG because of that main core value of innovation. Okay, so ano bang ino-offer natin? So aside sa children's books, which is na-enjoy nyo na ngayon ang ating mga operators, we will soon to offer transformative online courses, seminars, and trainings. So ito yung mga trainings or training or courses that will help the person to improve or develop personally and professionally. May mga courses dito about how to dress well, how to change your mindset, and yung financial courses din or any courses na makakatulong sa isang tao para mag-improve as a leader and as an empleyado rin. Okay, so part of the courses eventually then is mga LMS or subscription for children. So kung gusto nating tanggalin yung screen time or bawasan yung screen time ng bata. So hopefully kung may screen time man siya, yun na lang yung para sa mga subscription for our for subscription for the children na mostly science, no, mga mga videos and other learnings that can supplement their education or learning. So yun po. And yung online courses din na to or online educational resources na to, ito yung magpapadali para maging global yung ating business. So they can just buy these online products from us, i-upload lang nila yung app, tapos papanoorin na nila yung courses na binili nila sa atin. So you can easily sell that anywhere in the world. So that is what we offer here at EVG, children's books or any books that we have right now, and then yung transformative online resources. Okay? Yan, alam nyo na yan, diba? So that's what we're selling as well. Aside from the online courses that we are, nasa ano pa yun ongoing process pa rin. Ginagawa pa lang. So our purpose here at EVG is to connect our products to the families. Lahat naman po tayo nandito dahil mahal natin ang libro, 'di ba? Dahil alam natin na yung libro ay nakakatulong para maging mas matindi yung bonding ng mga pamilya, 'di ba, ng mga magulang sa kanilang mga anak. So that is our purpose at saka para din yun nga, mabigyan ng supplement din yung mga tao na yung iba kasi pagka-graduate nila akala nila tapos na yung education, ano. So sabi nga natin, di ba, you cannot give what you do not have. So kung sa empleyado ka at yun lang din ang alam mo, hindi ka nag-aaral, hindi ka nagdadagdag ng knowledge. So there's very less that you can offer to the company para mag-grow siya. Kaya it's really important that we keep on growing personally and professionally. So that's our goal, to connect our products to the family or to all the people. And ano ba yung role ng aming mga members dito sa AVG? So kayo po yung magiging guiding light for literacy. Kasi alam naman natin napakahirap ma-reach din yung mga communities dun sa far-flung provinces, 'di ba? So with our approach dito sa AVG, mas mapapadali nang ma-reach kahit saan sa Pilipinas for our children's books and for our online courses kahit saan sa mundo. And that is because we are using a two approaches, which is multi-level marketing and e-commerce. So dalawa po ito kasi alam niyo naman na pag multi-level marketing, napakadaling mas-spread yung good news of education. So for example, nandito ka ngayon, may kakilala ka sa Bicol. So napakadali na i-sponsor mo lang yung sa Bicol, and then yung sa Bicol naman magki-create ng sarili niyang organization, palalaki niya yung kanyang business, at may mga kakilala din yun from different provinces, from different countries, so mas mapapadaling mapalaki yung business. And aside from that, all of that can be done with the convenience of e-commerce. So kung gusto niyo mag-sponsor, lahat yan nasa website lang. Kung gusto niyong bumili, lahat nasa website, and dire-diretso na po dadating sa inyong bahay. So that is what we're doing here. We're using two approaches, multi-level marketing and with the convenience of e-commerce. So bakit ba multi-level marketing? Parang ngayon lang yata ako nakarinig no ng libro, tapos ngayon lang ako nakarinig ng multi-level marketing na ang product ay books, kasi mostly yan ay mga supplements, mga pampabeauty, mga ginagamit sa bahay na panlinis, mga sabon, toothpaste, ganyan, diba? So this is out of ordinary, diba? Ano talaga to, parang how can you say no to something na magbibigay or tutulong para mapaganda yung education ng mga bata. And what we're doing here, kaya nga nagfo-focus talaga ang WS sa books for children 0 to 8 years old, kasi nga gusto naming ma-improve ngayon yung mga bata na talagang masyado nang nakafocus sa gadgets. Nagbabago yung personality nila, masyado nagiging mainitin ang ulo, and hindi na naghahanap ng mga kalaro. So what we want here is really to improve the developmental stage of the children. And we can easily do that. Mapapalaganap natin yung kaagad through the multi-level marketing system. So bakit nga ba multi-level marketing? Kasi nga sa multi-level marketing, ang dami nating natatanggal, no? Na-eliminate natin yung traditional middleman. So for example, ang libro hindi na mabibili sa National Bookstore, kayo na mismo yung bibili, so you get the discount, di ba? Hindi mapupunta kay SM or kung kanino man. And then, wala na rin tayong marketing na kailangan because this is word of mouth. Tayo na yung nagkakalat or nag-spread ng balitang ito that there is books that we can provide for the children. And most importantly, lahat ng na-save natin sa middleman at saka sa mga marketing costs, lahat yan mapupunta sa ating members or sa ating book dealers. So later po makikita nyo how. And bakit multi-level marketing pa rin? Kasi nga, dito, magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong business without really shelling out huge amount of money. So, hindi to malaking amount no, for you to become part of Elevate Virtuosity Global, like other multi-level marketing. Kasi nga, ang gusto namin is maging affordable ang membership na to, yung pag-put up nyo ng sarili nyong business, sarili nyong organization through Elevate Virtuosity Global. So, here you can start your own business at a very small amount and then build your future with us by growing your organization. And of course, kasi nga pag lagi ka nakikipag-usap sa tao, there will always be training, seminars to make you a good leader. Then, madedevelop din yung leadership skills mo. And aside from that, you will have deeper understanding of our products and services, and mas may enrich yung experience mo with us. And of course, pag sa Elevate Virtuosity Global ka and you are a leader, you will be you will have access to additional income streams. Habang tumataas yung rank mo dito, lumalaki din yung income potential mo. So, depende sa effort na binibigay mo, yun din yung income na maa-achieve mo. Okay, so ano ba yung ladder of success or career path dito sa Elevate Virtuosity Global? So here you can start as an ambassador. And from ambassador, you can step up to champion, and then from champion to coach level. So yung mga sample income dito is just depende pa rin to syempre sa effort nyo, di ba? And then after the coach, we have the elite leaders, the leadership coach, executive coach, mentor, and master mentor. So yung mataas po dito is master mentor. So parang yan yung pinaka-summit of all the the leaders rank dito, no? Yung pinakamataas. So yan hopefully yung hahabulin nating lahat to become the master mentor. So ano po ba yung invitation for all our center operators, for all of you? We want you to start your journey with us, grow your business even more, and be our ambassador. So paano ba maging ambassador? Ito lang, sabi ko nga, di ba? You can start your business here without really shelling out huge amount of money. So just purchase a membership package 999, Ambassadors membership package 999. So this consists of 99 pesos membership fee and 900 pesos worth of books or 900 pesos online courses. So yun lang po yun. Okay? Yan. So ano po ba ang may enjoy bilang ambassador? So as an ambassador, you have a global reach with your ID. Sabi ko nga, global tong business natin. May unique ID ka na magagamit lang sa EVG platform. So yung ID na yan, you can share to your friends, to everyone, para pag nagpa-member sila, ikaw ang mag-sponsor sa kanila. So you can start this business, this worldwide business as well. Because ano nga tayo, 'di ba, nasa e-commerce, napakadaling ma-reach yung mga nasa abroad or kahit nasa ang probinsya pa man sila. And you can also fast track your career. Kung kanina nakita nyo from ambassador, 'di ba, next is champion, pwede mong padaliin. Pwedeng in 1 month maging coach ka kaagad, or with konting sipag, baka maging leadership coach ka pa, di ba? So, kumbaga, ikaw ang magde-decide if you really want to grow fast, if you really want to be promoted fast. Dito, hindi ka tulad ng as an employee, kahit magpakasipag ka, kung wala namang available na position, hindi ka mapopromote. Dito, hindi ka namin pipigilin. If you really want to grow, kung gusto mong ma-promote ka agad, nasa sa inyo po yon, depende sa effort na ibibigay nyo. And of course, you will learn and grow continuously with us because as you grow your business, marami kaming trainings na binibigay, depende sa level na naaabot mo. And yun nga, we really want to equip you to become a good leader because yun din naman talaga ay magpapalaki ng business mo. So that is our invitation for you to become an ambassador. So sabi ko, di ba, pag naging ambassador ka, lahat yan e-commerce na. Magpapa-member ka, magbebenta ka, and mag-order ka through online. So ito po yung example natin, ano. Now, once na member na kayo, meron kayong platform. So sa platform na to, nandito yung profile nyo, you have your picture, your ID, your membership history, nandiyan para makikita nyo kung gaano na kayo katagal with us. And then, yung meron siyang invite and sell and page button. So yan, pwede nyo i-copy yan and isend yung link sa inyong mga kaibigan. And dito rin, makikita nyo yung kung anong level na ba kayo. Are you champion na ba or nasa coach level na ba kayo? Ano pa ba yung hahabulin nyo? Yan yung dyan nakalagay yan. And of course, may mga numbers dito and points. Dito nyo mamomonitor kung nasaan na kayo for the month? May hinahabol ba kayo for promotion or may qualification ba kayong hinahabol para ma-maximize nyo yung inyong income potential? And also here, we have you have your e-wallet. Dito sa e-wallet, lahat ng commission nyo or bonuses, papasok dyan. May na-sponsor kayong bago, papasok ka agad dyan. And this one, you can also navigate. Pwede nyong, let's say gusto nyong ipasa yung certain amount or i-transfer your certain amount sa inyong bank or GCash, pwede nyong gawin. Kayo na lang po kayo na yung gagawa nun, di ba? So, easy access ng inyong incentive. Okay, so this will be your platform. So sabi ko nga, through this business, pwede ka na mag-invite, mag-sell, at mag-introduce ng iyong business. So here, if you will press invite, yan yung invite, tapos isi-send nyo yung link na yan no, sa inyong mga kakilala. Pag inopen nila yon, ito yung lalabas. Magkakaroon na sila ng parang application form, and here, you will have yung member ID and name. Wait lang po ah. Yes? Huh? Hello, sorry lang po, may commercial lang tayo. Anyway, so yun nga, if you will invite people, i-send nyo lang tong link na to sa kanila. Pag inopen nila yan, they can easily register na at yung member ID nyo na at yung name nyo yung lalabas doon. So kayo na kaagad yung sponsor niya. And another one, pag yung sell button naman yung sinend nyo sa kanila, automatic, um, ang ma-open din is yung store mo. So any amount or any books or online courses na bilhin nila, papasok yon sa sales mo. So ibig sabihin, kung wala kang binigay na discount sa kanila, the discount na supposedly ay para sa'yo ay papasok sa wallet mo. So automatic na yon. Kaya lalaki ng lalaki yung wallet mo if you keep on sharing your store to people. So the people you know, at kahit hindi mo kilala, 'di ba? Nag-aano ka pag nag-online sale ka, go online selling, di ba? And the next is, if you want to share your page, nagtatanong sila, ano ba yung Elevate Virtuosity Global na yan? Then you can send to them your link, ito yung link, and then, yan, makikita na nila yung website mo. So from here, they can know more about the company, your shop, and anything na gusto nilang malaman about your business. So this will be your platform once you joined us. You join us here at EVG. So ano ba yung ways to earn dito sa Elevate Virtuosity Global? So we have 5 ways to earn. Una is personal sales profit. So ibig sabihin, dito sa personal sales profit, parang basic discount, ano, anything na bilhin mo, you will get 30%. So kung yung link mo, binigay mo sa ibang tao, pag bumili sila, yung 30% papasok sa e-wallet mo. Ganun po siya nag-work. And then, yung 2, 3, 4, 5, it's all about building organization. If you want to grow your business, kasi sa personal selling, ano yan eh, may katapusan, di ba? Pag pagod ka na, tigil na yung income. Pero dito, yung 2, 3, 4, 5 ways to earn is pag ginawa mo na kayo yung business, grinow mo yan, eventually kahit namamasyal ka na, nagbabakasyon ka na, tumatakbo na yung organization mo, kumikita ka na. So let me show you kung paano kumita, pag ka magkaroon ng income sa team builder bonus. So sa team builder bonus, pag nag-sponsor ka ng isang tao, dun sa package 999 niya, which is the 900 pesos worth of books, yung 99 goes to the membership fee, meron kang 20% doon as team builder bonus. Sa Infinity Builder bonus naman, pag yung lahat ng personal na ini-sponsor mo umabot ng 8, meron kang 10% doon sa sales, sa initial sales ng mga ini-sponsor mo. So, ibig sabihin, this month, meron kang ini-sponsor na 2, and then next month, 2 uli, and then third month, 4. So, pag nakawalo ka na, kukumputan yung 8 na yon, total sales nila during their, dun sa purchase nila, product value nila sa membership 999, kukumpitin yung 10% and then that would be your Infinity Builder bonus. For the generational team bonus naman, ito talaga yung magbibigay sa inyo ng malaking income stream, no? Kasi ito, it unlocks to 10 up to 10 generations. So, kung yung iba, 'di ba, level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 dito, up to 10 generations, ang binibilang lang yung may sales. Pag walang sales yung level 2 mo, dadaanan yan. Hindi yan gagawing generation 2. Ang generation 2 niya kung saan may benta dun sa babang level mo. So, hindi masasayang yung effort ng iyong organization, ng iyong team. That's how generational team bonus work. And then mentors organizational bonus para to sa dalawang highest elite leaders, yung mentor at saka master mentor. So here, if you are a mentor, meron kang 1% to your total organization. Kahit lampas pa yan ng 10 generations, kahit nasa 20, 30 generations na yan, you will earn 1% bonus. And pag master mentor ka naman, you will earn 3% organizational bonus. Now, how does it work? Baka naman malugi na yung company sa binibigay na yon. Hindi naman po kasi if you're a master mentor and then pag may mentor sa baba mo, instead of you earning 3% dun sa sales na total organization ng mentor mo, 2% lang yung income mo. Yung 1% mapupunta sa kanya kasi nga 1% goes to the mentor. Okay? So wala naman ditong double up ng income. So next is medyo daanan natin paano ba gumagana yung 5 ways to earn. How can I really earn using the 5 ways to earn ng Elevate Virtuosity Global? So sa personal sales, sabi ko nga meron kang 30% sa lahat ng sales mo. So for example, you are selling 5 books per day at 299 pesos each. So in 5 days a week for 4 weeks, ibig sabihin, hindi ka na 5 days lang, no? You have Saturday, Sunday, bakasyon. So for daily sales, meron kang 5 books times 299, that's 1,495. And then for your weekly sales, that's yung ibig sabihin, yung sa daily sales, 1,495. And then yung weekly sales mo, 5 days a week, so that's 7,000, 5 days a week, yeah. That's 7,475 sales. So in 1 month, times 4 weeks yan, meron kang total sales of 29,900. So with a commission of 30%, your monthly income would be 8,970. So sa personal sales profit pa lang yan. Depende yan sa'yo. Kasi if you want to earn 20,000 from your personal sales profit lang, and then you sell 10 books a day, di ba? Or magbenta ka ng mas mahal na mga libro. Minsan mag-library ka or pumunta sa mga barangay or depende, no? How you really want to grow your business. So, sa personal sales profit, depende talaga ito sa personal mong effort, di ba? Kasi ikaw talaga yung magbebenta rito, ikaw yung magbebenta online, ikaw yung minsan yung mga nag-aano pa nga, and tawag doon live selling pa, di ba? So you can do whatever you want if you really want to grow your personal sales profit. Next is, ba't nagkaganito ito? Okay, nakikita nyo ba yan? So sa team builder bonus naman, okay, bakit kaya nagkaganito? Okay. Sa team builder bonus naman, you will earn, sabi ko nga kayo na, basta may ini-sponsor ka, meron kang 20% dun sa 900 pesos or more, basta initial purchase from the package ng iyong new member. So that's, let's say, 900 times 20%, that's 180 pesos per head. So for example, meron kang kinakausap na 10 tao a day, yan ang target mo, tapos 3 doon nagpapa-member. So, ibig sabihin, meron kang 180 pesos per head times 3 new ambassadors times 5 days times 4 weeks, you can have additional of 10,800 income. So dito, ikaw din yung ikaw yung mag-grow ng business mo sa lahat ng taong ini-sponsor mo dito sa business ng EVG sa iyong organization. Then you have 180 pesos per head. But hindi lang doon nagtatapos yon. Sabi ko nga kanina, you have your Infinity Builder bonus. Pag umabot na sa 8, yung na-sponsor mo, no time limit ito, kahit ilang taon pa yan, basta umabot na ng 8, every 8, you will have 10% Infinity Builder bonus dun sa initial purchase nila, dun sa value ng product nila sa um, Ambassador Membership Package 999. So, assuming nga, no, na nakikipag-usap ka sa 10 tao a day, then 3 doon nagpapa-member. So, assuming meron kang 60 new members a month na nagjo-join sa business mo. So, initial purchase package is 900 pesos. Yung Infinity Builder niyan is 10%. So, 10% of 900 is 90 pesos per ambassador. Kanina, meron kang 180 no, per head. Ngayon naman, meron kang 90 pesos per head. So, parang 208, tama ba? 270 pesos per member. Sa Infinity pa lang at saka sa Team Builder bonus. Yon. So here, assuming na nakakomplete ka ng set of 8 dun sa, nakakomplete ka ng 7 sets dun sa 8, no? Para sa 60 new members. Parang 60 divided by 8. So meron kang 7. So sa 7 sets na yon, meron kang 90 pesos per ambassador. So that's 720 per set. So 7 sets times 720 is 5,040 pesos. So dito pa lang, meron ka ng 5,040. Kanina meron kang 10,800. Tapos dito naman, kung personal sales, meron kang 8,970. So napakaraming ways to earn, diba? And then yung sobra dun sa 60, dahil nga 70 sets lang yan, meron ka pang 4 na may iwan. Yung 4 extra ambassadors mo, hihintayin yan kung kailan ka makakawalo ulit. And then magko-compute uli siya ng Infinity Builder bonus. So this is how it works. Na basta dagdag ka na ng dagdag, yung computer magbibilang lang yan ng magbibilang na every time na maka-8 ka, magko-compute siya ng Infinity Builder bonus. Okay? Are you still there? Ano nga? Nandiyan pa ba kayo? Okay, pala ha. So yan, let me continue. Okay, sige, thank you. There. Ito na yung sinasabi kong isang income stream na talagang magpapalaki ng inyong organization. This is how we really want your business to grow with us. Ito yung tinatawag naming generational team bonus. This is depende sa rank mo. You have the opportunity to earn bonuses up to your 10th generation. 10th generation, okay? So hindi lang yan 3 levels hanggang 10 levels. Pero kung walang benta yung ibang levels, bababa at bababa pa yon. Basta makabuo ng 10 generations with sales. So here, sa generational team bonus, on your first generation, you will earn 4% bonus on sales. So let's say meron kang 8 members na in-enroll mo sa iyong first generation. So meron kang 4% dun sa 8 members na in-enroll mo. 4% dun sa kanilang initial package na 900 pesos plus dun sa mga bibilhin pa nila uli. So kung magwa 100,000 yan, 20,000, 30,000, meron kang 4% dun sa sales nila. And then second generation naman, another 4% on the sales of your second generation. So assuming yung 8 members na in-enroll mo, nag-enroll uli ng tagwa-8, so meron ka ng total members on your second generation na 64 ambassadors or 64 members. While on your third generation naman, we give 2% bonus on sales. So let's say yung 64 mo, nag-sponsor uli or nag-enroll ng 8 members. So aabot na yan sa 512. So sa 512, meron kang 2% dun sa lahat ng sales nila. Sa initial purchase nila at sa mga susunod pa nilang sales. On your fourth generation, you will earn 2% bonus on sales again. So ibig sabihin, meron ka ng 512 dun sa third generation mo. Yung 512 na yon, nag-enroll uli ng tagwa-8. So yung total nito is 4,096. And then on your fifth generation, another 2% bonus on sales. So yung 4,096 kanina, mag-enroll uli ng tagwa-8, it can reach up to 32,768 members. So yung earning potential dito is for 5 generations lang. Eh, di ba sabi ko hanggang 10 generations tayo. Eventually, I will introduce that to you on the career path presentation, which will happen on, I think, Thursday. So, ibibigay na lang namin sa inyo yung invitation, but it will, during that time, we discuss talaga yung career path, career level income opportunity dito sa AVG. Parang ito medyo glimpse lang, no? Para lang magkaroon kayo ng idea. So here, sabi ko nga, hanggang 5 generations lang to. At ang assumption lang natin dito is 900 per head. Parang yung package pa lang nila, wala pang resell, no? Wala pa silang reselling. So yung total earning potential mo dito can go up to 675,360 monthly. Bakit monthly? Kasi nga, bibili pa yung mga yan, diba? So yung 900 na yun, initial purchase lang nila. What if the following months, mas malaki pa yung binili nila, diba? So it can even grow higher. And of course, sabi nga nila, hindi naman lahat yan 100%, diba? So let's just follow the Pareto principle of 80-20 rule. So ibig sabihin, 20% lang ang matutuloy dito. So kung 20% lang ang matutuloy dito, this is still 200,000 plus monthly. So napakalaki pa rin. Kahit 10% nga lang, diba? That's still 6,000 plus or 67,000 plus. Ang gusto ko lang ipakita dito is ito talaga yung magpapalaki ng inyong business. If you keep on working and focusing on building your organization, just follow the process. Sabi nga, no, mag-go through ka lang sa journey of uh, training your people, improving your organization, building your organization. Eventually, magugulat ka 3 to 5 years from now, ganyan na kalaki yung monthly income mo. Na minsan, yung iba, parang inisip nila, parang napaka-imposible. Ano? It's not impossible kasi numbers na po yung pinapakita. And you have seen so many multi-level marketers na talagang napakaganda na ng buhay, di ba? Kasi nga, tinutukan nila yung kanilang business. And here, ginawa naming napakadali ng business na ito. Dito lang kayo makakakita ng multi-level marketing na napakababa ng membership fee, di ba? 999 lang. So, yon. So, here, parang isipin mo pa lang, ano, na 5 generations pa lang to. What if umabot pa ng 10th generations, magkano na kaya yung aking monthly income? So, that we will discuss during the career path session natin. Okay? So, ito lang, gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo how you can earn here as long as you will keep on building your organization. So ito nga yung sinasabi ko na ang gusto kong mangyari talaga sa mga partners namin sa WS is habang tumatagal kayo dito, gumaganda rin yung income nyo. Hindi yung habang tumatagal napapagod ka tapos mag-resign ka na lang or ayaw mo nang ipagpatuloy. So dito gusto ko na makita nyo na nag-grow talaga kayo because lahat ng hirap nyo eventually ma-reap nyo rin ano, yung inyong hard work. Ayan. So that's generational team bonus. Next is, last but not the least, is the mentors organizational bonus. So ito yung sa highest, ano nga, no, highest leaders natin, the mentors and master mentors. So for the master mentor, may earning kayo na 3% on the total sales volume of your entire organization. So this is just a passive income earned exclusively by mentors and master mentors. Kanina, pinakita ko sa inyo yung 5th generation pa lang, you can already earn 600,000 plus, di ba? 600,000, yes, 600,000 plus. But here, yung sa 3% niyan, that's 1 million monthly. So let's assume lang, sabi ko nga, hindi na Pareto principle na 80-20 rule. Let's just use 10% realization. So that's still 100,000. Kasi nga, that's really the power of multiplication or duplication. Ano? Pag yung hirap mo, yung sipag mo, itunuro mo rin sa mga sinasama mo sa iyong team, sa iyong organization, gagawin din nila yung ginagawa mo. And that is how you can grow your business. Yung ginagawa ko ngayon na nagsasalita sa inyo, eventually you will also do this and then tuturo nyo rin po yan sa inyong mga members. Para kumbaga, dire-diretso yung momentum. Lumalaki yung organization mo without you knowing. Na minsan magugulat ka na lang, ang laki na pala ng iyong organization at yung iba hindi mo na kakilala, 'di ba? So that's it, no? That's the 5 ways to earn here at Elevate Virtuosity Global. And paano ba ako as a center operator, paano ba ako mag-start diyan? Just be an ambassador first, no? You can enroll as an ambassador. Pumunta lang kayo sa Elevate Virtuosity Global website, and then here doon mag-join kayo and then buy the package and then choose the books that you want and check out and pay, 'di ba? You can pay through credit card or GCash. And then, magiging member ka na. At pag member ka na, makikita mo na yung platform mo. You can share your website na, you can share your invite, your store to anybody. And here, sabi ko nga, paano ba kayo makakapag-start ng business? So, as an ambassador, mag-enroll ka lang, no? Magbabayad ka ng 999 and from that 999, yung 99 pesos membership fee lang yan for the year, and then yung 900 pesos, that would be worth of books na gusto nyong bilhin. Kayong mamimili. And all you need to do, kung gusto nyong mapabilis yung ma-fast track yung iyong career, ano, from ambassador, magiging coach ka na kaagad, you just need to enroll 8 new ambassadors. So yung 8 new ambassadors na yan, meron ka ng income na 2,448. Actually, yung iba, ang ginagawa nila, pangalan din nila. Hindi po namin kayo aawatin, ano, kasi ayaw namin gumawa pa kayo ng mga dami account. So for example, isang ambassador, ikaw, ito, let's say si Cecil Sumido ito. Tapos nagpasok siya ng 8 under Cecil Sumido 1 to 8. So this is all her. Siya pa rin ang mag-i-income ng 2,448, and then yung 900 worth of products nasa kanya na rin, 'di ba? So ibig sabihin, parang 99 pesos times 9 lang yung kanyang nilabas, no? Parang 900 pesos lang. Tama ba yung computation ko? Parang 900 pesos lang kasi yung books babalik naman sa kanya. And then, pag nakabuo na kayo ng inyong mga ambassadors here, ng mga legs nyo, you can now start building your organization. Sponsoring people, conducting training, and ilagay nyo na sila dyan hanggang lumaki na ng lumaki yung iyong organization. So gusto ko lang ipakita dito, by just sponsoring 8, you can already go to the rank or be promoted to the rank of coach. So next niyan, yun na yung next natin level. Sorry, inubo na ako. Baka saluin na ako ni Marvin. Anyway, so yun. Marvin, are you there?
Hi, CAB. Good evening.
Hi. Pwede mo ba akong saluin? Medyo kumakit. Ay, wait lang ha. I want to introduce to you, Marvin. Nakikita ba dyan si Marvin? Marvin is the product tawag natin dyan, project manager of EVG. So siya po yung nag-handle ng division na to. Go ahead, Marvin.
Okay, I think we're done with this. You're done with this part already. So, let me again tell you about the power of duplication, like what CAB discussed a while ago. No, kung ikaw yung pinakang sponsor nito, no, once you invited 8 and then you shared all the information and all the help and all the support that you can do, no, with your members, definitely it will be duplicated again, no. Yung 8 members na invite nyo, and then parang i-replicate lang nila, no, yung mga bagay na nagawa mo, yung mga good things na na-share mo with them, definitely it will replicate, no. So yung 8 na yun, chances are they will invite 8 members again, no. And then with that, no, it will become 64. And then with those 64 members, no, once they were able to again replicate all the good things and all the trainings that you've shared, no, and all the support that you've given, and ganun din, no, yung 64 na yun, definitely mag-invite din ng 8, no? And then yung 64, it will become 512. Talagang like what CAB discussed a while ago, no, yung 80-20 rule, no, hindi naman yan lahat, no. mag-invite, yung 20% pa rin, no? It's a big number, no? It's a big number pa rin yung lalabas niyan. And definitely, uh, continuous pa rin yan, no? Lalaki at lalaki pa rin kasi uh, you'll never know. All those members, so some of those members who will be able to work more, no? Kung talagang kakaririn nila, it will definitely double up the numbers. Okay? So next slide, please, si Ibi. Okay, so again, if we are going to look again your path to success, no? Ibig sabihin, once you are on top of everything in your top of the master mentor rank, no? Hindi ibig sabihin narating mo yung summit dahil talagang pinaghirapan mo, no? Narating mo yung summit din kasi kung ano yung shinare mo, na ibigay mo, nanggaling din yun sa ibang tao. So talagang the key secret here, the key success is it's not about just your effort. It's everyone's effort, no? Talagang lahat na naitulong mo at binalik din sa iyo at nakita ng members mo na may mga members na nagsa-struggle, they will help each other and then with that, ang magiging resulta nun, ikaw din yung magbe-benefit mo. So napakaganda nung training na may bibigay ng EVG to all the members because of walang iwanan, no? Walang iwanan, everyone will be able to succeed because of what you planted with your members. Definitely they will not let you down because wala talagang iwanan yung ang approach ng Elevate Virtuosity Global. Okay?
Thank
Next
you.
slide, CB.
Yes, thank you. Thank you,
All
Marvin.
right.
Okay.
You're welcome.
So, naka-recover. Kanina pa po ako nagsasalita. Anyway, so, ang ganda nga, no, pinapakita ni Marvin kanina yung career path. And I'm excited na next Thursday, mas maiintindihan nyo kung paano ba maging leadership coach, maging executive coach, maging mentor and maging master mentor. So, kanina pinapakita namin yung numbers, yung napakalaking income opportunity. Na minsan, hindi tayo sanay sa ganong kalaking income, ano? Parang sasabihin kaagad natin, ako, kaya ko ba yan? Parang napaka-imposible naman. But pinakita natin how. Pinakita natin yung how the number can grow as long as you keep on doing the work, 'di ba? As long as you keep on growing your organization and promoting our books, our business to other people. So, wag tayong matakot kasi yung takot, it's just our limiting belief na, naku, hindi ko kaya yan, hindi ko kayang makipag-usap sa mga tao, gusto ko lang magbenta. Then, nasa sa inyo po yun, ano? Pero ito, pinapakita namin how you can grow your business. And this is one way to really reach yung mas maraming tao, to really grow your business, and lalo nating ma-spread yung ating mission of bringing books to the children kahit saang lupa-lupa sila or kahit saang kasulok-sulukan sila ng Pilipinas. And of course, yung ating online courses, mai-share din natin yan kahit saang part ng mundo. So, let's not think na hindi natin kaya. Limiting belief lang po yon na iniisip natin yung takot. Na minsan nga, even yung magsalita sa harapan, ano, sabihin, ako hindi ko kaya magsalita sa harap. Kasi sinabi mo na kaagad. So, nililimit mo na kaagad yung iyong kakayahan. So, lahat po yon nasa isip lang natin. Kailangan lang natin paglabanan yung takot and we have to move forward. And para maka-move forward tayo, kailangan matuto tayong mangarap. Kasi nga yung iba, niliitan na lang ng niliitan yung pangarap nila dahil ito lang yung akala nilang kaya nilang maging income monthly, ano? But we have shown you how you can grow your income. So, start dreaming big again. Kasi nung bata tayo, malalaking magaganda pangarap natin, ano? At habang tumatanda tayo, nakikita natin yung hirap ng buhay, lumiliit na lumiliit yung pangarap natin. Dating gusto natin magka-Lexus na SUV, parang gusto na lang natin mas maliit na sasakyan, diba? Gusto natin ng malaking bahay sa exclusive village, ngayon kahit ano na lang, basta may matirahan. So, we just have to keep on dreaming big kasi pag nangangarap tayo ng mas malaki, mas sisipagin tayo magtrabaho. And let us always be clear kung bakit ba natin ginagawa ito, para ba to makatulong sa ibang tao, sa iyong pamilya, and to have your own foundation also. Ang dami kong kilalang tao, ang daming tinutulungan din. So, we don't just live on our own. Pag in-introduce mo tong business na to sa mas maraming tao, mas marami kang matutulungan kasi sila, mabubuhay din uli yung pangarap nila na pwede pa pala akong kumita ng malaki. And ang kagandahan doon, hindi ka nag-offer ng kahit anong ino-offer mo yung education, no? Libro at courses that will help people elevate their virtuosity or their personality, di ba? So yan, mangarap pa rin tayo ng malaki. Huwag tayong matakot. Let's have courage kasi sama-sama tayo, teamwork tayo dito. Hindi nyo to gagawin mag-isa. Nandito kami para tulungan kayo in all the things that you need. Lahat ng mga, pag nagpa-member po kayo, lahat ng mga business materials na kailangan nyo nasa platform nyo na rin. And then, Ivy, Marvin, and me, at mga iba pang mga tao na nandito, sila Portia, tutulong po lahat ng marami pa tayo mag-i-introduce kami mga part ng Elevate Virtuosity team na tutulong sa inyo to grow your business with us. So, yun lang po yun. I just want to introduce this business kasi this is one way para talagang lumaki yung iyong reach, yung iyong business, yung iyong organization, and you can stay with us longer na mas makikita nyo yung success because here you can build your organization, you can build your team, and we can help you grow your team with us. So thank you so much, and I hope no makarinig kami ng feedback. If you want to be a member of Elevate Virtuosity Global, just go to the website and sign up as a new member. Mag-automatic na po yun, no? You will be under the company. Pero kung kayo yung member na meron kayong mga daughter center operator na gusto nyo rin ipasok dito, then they will be under you. As long as mag-usap na rin po kayo together if you really want to start this business with us. So maraming salamat, Ken. Stop ko na po itong share, ha? Ayun. Nako, sana nakinig sila, no? Parang lahat nakatago. Yan, nasa na kaya sila? Wait lang ha. Marvin, thank you for ano ha, pagsalo. So Portia, are you still there? And Ivy? Okay, thank you.
Sorry, very noisy here. I'm here.
Okay, so thank you everyone. And yung mga center operators na nandito, please reach out with Portia, with Ariel, nandiyan si Ariel I think kanina. And kung kayo naman po kay Ivy, or just go to our website if you want to if you want to register as a dealer. Lang may mga ayan, hi Cecil. Okay, thank you so much, and magpi-picture pa ba tayo? Pinicture ako yung mga pangalan nila para hindi na mag-open ang mga camera. Okay, bye-bye everyone. Thank you. Anything else, Ivy? May na gusto mong sabihin or what?
No, no, thank you.
Okay, so thank you. I'll just stop the recording now. Thank